Sometimes life breaks everything you thought was safe, not to destroy you, but to push you to where you truly belong. Today's story has a twist you won't expect, so make sure you listen till the end. In the mountains stood an ancient shrine, silent and forgotten. Moss covered its stone walls, and at its center hung a massive bronze bell, silent for years. Birds came and went, never noticing it, but one little sparrow peeked inside its hollow and found a perfect shelter, cool, spacious, safe. She built her nest twig by twig, lined it with feathers, and whispered to herself, "Nothing can hurt me here." Days passed peacefully. Morning songs, afternoon rest. Everything felt permanent. But life never promised permanence. One morning, footsteps echoed in the courtyard. The monks had returned after years. They decided it was time to ring the old bell again. The sparrow didn't know. She sat peacefully in her nest. Then, boom! The bell roared through the courtyard. It shook violently. The nest broke apart, twigs falling, feathers scattering like tiny tears. The sparrow flew out terrified. The safe world she trusted was gone in a single moment. She cried in her heart, "Why me? What did I do wrong?" She wandered valleys and forests, exhausted and lost. Nothing felt like home anymore. She nearly gave up, but a quiet whisper inside her said, "Keep flying. Don't stop now." One afternoon, she followed the sound of water. It led her to a hidden forest glade, sunlight filtering through leaves, berries everywhere, soft, strong branches, perfect for a nest. It looked like paradise. She rebuilt, this time wiser, stronger, more patient. When she sat in her new nest, the wind gently touched her feathers, and the river hummed a soft song. She smiled. This is far better than what I lost. And then it dawned on her. If the bell hadn't rung, I would have stayed trapped in that hollow. Losing my home didn't end my story. It began a better one. Friends, life works the same way. We build our nests, jobs, relationships, routines. We feel safe. We think nothing will change. Then a bell rings and everything breaks. But sometimes loss is only a disguise, a push toward a brighter chapter. So when your world shakes, don't fear. Keep moving, keep searching, keep building. Your next nest might just be the most beautiful one of your life.